Have you seen the ads for Luxe Under Eye Balm and wondered if it's really the breakthrough solution for under-eye wrinkles and puffiness, or just another overhyped skincare product? Today, we're taking a closer look at what Luxe Under Eye Balm actually delivers and whether the results match the promises. The product is marketed as a fast-acting under-eye treatment that can smooth wrinkles, reduce puffiness, tighten the skin, and create a younger-looking appearance in minutes. While those claims sound impressive, the available information raises several questions. The marketing heavily emphasizes advanced Korean skincare science, but there is little publicly available clinical evidence showing that the formula can produce the dramatic lifting and wrinkle removal effects featured in advertisements. Some promotional materials reference statistics such as smoother skin percentages and rapid transformation claims, yet independent verification of these numbers is difficult to find. Another concern is the use of before and after images that appear highly optimized, edited or captured under different lighting conditions, making it challenging to accurately judge real-world effectiveness. Customer feedback presents a mixed picture. Some users report temporary improvements in the appearance of fine lines and puffiness, while others say the results were subtle, short-lived, or not noticeable enough to justify the premium price. There are also reports suggesting that similar formulations can be found elsewhere at significantly lower costs, leading some buyers to question the overall value. The product is frequently promoted with limited-time discounts, bundle offers, and urgency-driven sales tactics, which can make it harder for consumers to evaluate the purchase objectively. Based on the ingredients, marketing claims, and customer experiences, Luxe Under Eye Balm does not appear to be a miracle solution, but it also isn't necessarily a complete scam. It may provide temporary cosmetic benefits for some users, but expectations should remain realistic. As always, carefully research any skincare product before purchasing and focus on evidence rather than advertising hype.